new live set. Something like that, if we could clean it up. You know, it was a little rough on the execution, but I think we can work with that. So basically, all of these kicks can be loud, guys. They can all be loud. See, there was like something that got a little bit screwy right over here. It was this open hat. Yeah. Dude, you need to slide into place. Also, these guys are getting a little ahead. It's not too problematic, you know, but sometimes moving that snare forward makes it feel like the rest of the beat is kind of like on the backside, which is cool, but I don't know. That sounded very problematic. Also, these guys are very off the grid. I don't think that's going to loop well. There we go. Kind of smoothing out this snare, but also, you know, kind of bringing up that punch right there. There we go. So it didn't quite automate the inversion that I slipped in there. So we'll just draw that in. I think it's on this third guy. We want to invert upwards by 2. Let's just take a look at the CQ. You know, maybe rather than just like penciling this all in, something fun that I've been using lately for just like, I don't know, throwing shit at the wall when it comes to EQ is Side Q by Sound Toys. Play with the saturation knob. I haven't ever used this plugin. I just downloaded it the other day. I think if we can keep this really low key, it can just kind of help brighten it a little bit. And you can gain match the input. That's pretty cool. Hey, I'm kind of enjoying this. This is a free plugin, by the way. This is Saturation Knob by Softtube. I don't know, I just saw it the other day and was like, why not give it a try? It's free. Oh, that's interesting. So the pitch bend was automated differently there. So it goes, yeah. Let's roll with that. That was a happy accident. This is such an odd beat. It sounds kind of peculiarly like a little bit Tribe Called Quest-ish. Oh, just that little lick. Dude, that's a nice little walk. Man, I'm really trying to think more nuance, more little things in here, but at the same time, like, this is a really sick track with only like 5 tracks in this song. But you know, I feel like this is a track that people could like trade bars on. You know, this is kind of like a cipher track. Yeah, we might just like pencil in a couple of notes here. Something like that, you know. Just a little bit of extra detailing, but not much. You know, we're trying to keep this track a little bit minimal to hopefully keep more of the attention on whatever artist is rhyming this. Yeah, just like set it down pretty quickly too. Let it get out of the way so the listener can get on to the next track, you know? But, dang, that was a good one. That was a quick one. That was like 30 minutes. A simple one, but a damn good one.